Hi everybody, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all having a blessed day. Last Friday night, Christian challenged us to make a cup of kindness. And I went through my papers. I found this beautiful metallic looking rust paper. And I found some fall stickers that I didn't have packed away. And these were from the Dollar Tree last year. And the little, cut apart in here moves. So there was all different things. So I made like a 3x3 card to go here. And this is my cup. Another package of stickers I had. It said fall. Sorry, I have glue strands everywhere, but that's okay. I have this washi tape that says be thankful. And I made the handle a little bit different. Since I had used paper, I made it triple layer. This is one of my flowers that you've seen me making. And I put some leaves from Recollections inside. I just put a, to hide the bottom, circle. And here's another one of those. Sorry for the glare. Another one of those stickers. And then for the bottom I used one of my dies and cut apart the pieces. I put some little smaller punches inside there to kind of raise it up. And I am going to be filling it with these softies, caramels. And my husband is going to take it to work probably and put it on his desk. So that's who I'm going to be appreciating, is the men and women in his office. So when they walk past his desk, they can grab a caramel and know that I care about them. And when the fall is all done, he can either keep it on his desk and keep loading candy in it, or he can bring it home. I'll put it in my craft room. So we'll decide. But I will be making these, as I told Christian, I will be making these for the ladies at my doctor's office. They are really, really great. I always make them something every Christmas. So I'll be making them all cups this year. And I'll get like those big bag of mint candies and I'll fill them with the mint candies. So I will be back early December with my cup of kindnesses to the ladies at my doctor's office. So I just wanted to let you know, Christian, I hope I did okay. This is my cup of kindness and my 3x3 card. So bye everybody. Thanks for watching. And I'm coming right back with the rest of my Disney. Oh my God, I can't wait to show you my 3D projects. See you soon. Bye.